Hey, so obviously I put out a ton of free content on all the different social media platforms, but I have a lot of people who are looking for something a little bit more formal and a little bit more direct on how to invest in apartment buildings. So if that's you, come out to Commercial Empire. I have a 2-day high intensive course that gives you really the A to Z on how to invest in apartment buildings. Acquiring off-market, direct-to-seller apartment building deals, how to underwrite them, and how to underwrite them quickly, how to raise private money, how to structure the financing, how to stay SEC compliant, and then once you take down the deal, how to renovate it, how to pursue the value add, how to fill it up with quality tenants, how to put quality property management in place, and how to asset manage this thing long term, along with all the different exit strategies that you can utilize. And they can be big apartment buildings, they can be small multifamily units. You're gonna learn how to go out and take down deals on your own. But chances are you're probably gonna come across a deal that's a little bit outside of your comfort zone, it's a little bit bigger, maybe you need help raising money on it, maybe you need help sponsoring the loan, maybe you need somebody just kind of mentor and hold your hand through the process so that way it gives you another level of comfort. And that's what we're here for, right? I've partnered up, I've done hundreds, if not thousands of units with my students all over the country. So it allows you to get into deals that you couldn't have gotten into. It allows me to get into deals that I couldn't have gotten into. And together we can elevate each other's success and net worth and portfolio value as a collective whole, right? Like a rising tide floats all boats. And there's gonna be other people who come out and they're like, hey Tim, I love what you're doing. Just a little bit more work than I wanna do, but I have money or I have access to money. Can I deploy it into deals with you, your students? And there's definitely ways that we can work together on that front as well. So it's essentially from the cradle to grave, from the start to finish of how do we go about the process of finding deals, raising capital on deals, operating those deals, and building long-term legacy wealth. So come out to Commercial Empire. It's a 2-day event. It's done virtually. You don't have to travel. It used to be an in-person that was $5,000 event. We've actually reduced the price point to 10% of that. So it's only $500 to come out for the exact same content that people were paying $5,000 for pre-COVID. So it's a pretty smoking deal. Would love to have you out there. If you are interested in Commercial Empire, please plug in, learn how we do our deals and how we build wealth through the Legacy Wealth platform. So appreciate you. Look forward to seeing you at the next event.